In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete responses in Google Forms. Whether you're clearing out old data or getting ready to start fresh with new responses, knowing how to manage your form responses is a handy skill. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is a cloud storage platform where all your Google files, including Google Forms, are stored. Once you're there, look for the colourful square grid icon usually found on the upper right hand side of the page. This is your apps menu where you can easily navigate to any of the Google applications. Clicking on this icon will open a drop down menu with various Google apps. You're going to want to select Forms from this list. This is where all of your Google Forms are kept, and it's the gateway to managing your responses. After you've clicked on Forms, you'll see a list of all your previously created forms. Take a moment to locate the specific form whose responses you wish to delete. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open the form editor. Now that you're in the form editor, at the top of the window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Responses. This is your main view for managing all incoming data from respondents. Here's where things get a bit more specific. Once you've clicked on the Responses tab, look for the three vertical dots on the corner, which are usually referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking this will reveal additional options related to your responses. In the drop-down list, you'll find the option Delete All Responses. Click on this option when you're ready to clear all the data. It's important to note that this action can't be undone, so you should be absolutely certain that you want to delete all responses before you proceed. If there's data you might want to save before deleting, consider downloading it first using the Download Responses option available in the same menu. This simple set of actions allows you to reset your form, clearing the way for new data collection without any remnants of previous responses. And that's it, you're done. Now you know exactly how to delete responses in Google Forms quickly and efficiently. Keep in mind this is a permanent action, so use it when you're absolutely sure that you won't need the existing data anymore. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on effectively using Google tools. Happy form editing.